Hey, I have a question for you. Have you looked at all the supplements on your shelf and just thought, should I be taking all of this stuff? Or if you started out taking a lot and then you're trying to whittle it down and you're trying to figure out, well, what are the most important supplements if I only have to choose three or four? Well, I'm Dr. Woods, medical doctor and lifestyle strategist at Dr. Woods Wellness, and I'd like to share with you my favorite supplements, a brief overview of my favorite supplements and the ones that I recommend to my clients and patients. And I'm going to share with you why I choose them. So first of all, vitamin D is one of my favorite supplements. Vitamin D really functions more like a hormone than it does as a vitamin. It really is thought to have been misnamed. It has over 200 different functions in your body. It is super important. And there are so many Americans who are deficient in vitamin D or insufficient in their vitamin D. Vitamin D helps to regulate blood sugar. It helps to boost your body's immune system. Higher rates of vitamin D have been associated with lower rates of breast cancer in women and lower rates of prostate cancer in men. So that's how important vitamin D is. My second favorite supplement is actually fish oil or omega-3 fish oil. It is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. Some of you may know that it has good benefits for your heart. It can lower your cholesterol. I like to tell patients to think of fish oil like you would Advil or Motrin or Aleve. If you have an ache or a pain, go to your fish oil first before you go to those other medications, which you know if you overuse those others, they could actually cause damage to the lining of your stomach. My third favorite supplement is actually a probiotic. Probiotic basically is good bacteria that we place back into the gut. Now, it is so important for the bacteria in the gut to be in good balance. And we're learning more and more about that. We're calling it the microbiome. There's a whole nother basically environment living inside your gut. And it has to do with the balance of good bacteria versus bad bacteria versus the nutrients and the other things that are down there. And if those things are out of balance, they can have an impact in a lot of different areas of your health, including your immune system and those types of things. My fourth favorite supplement is a good multivitamin. There you're going to get your A's, your B's, your C's, your E's. But I like a multivitamin that also has a little extra punch or a little something unexpected, like another supplement that might help with inflammation and those types of things. So if you want to know my exact recommendations as far as my four supplements that are my favorite or what I call the core four, then just drop your email in the comments here and I'll be sure to send you my recommendation. The last thing that I want to say that is super important is to make sure that you get good quality supplements. Do not buy your supplements from the local drugstores. They actually did a study on this about 5 or 6 years ago where they found that the local drugstore supplements had talcum powder, spruce tree powder, and other things that were basically just trash. So get a good quality. So step above the local drugstore is your local store that specializes in supplements. If you and then the next best thing, or what I think is the best thing, is to try to get your supplements from a healthcare practitioner. We have access to higher quality that a lot of times you will not have access to on your own as an individual. So those are the four core, those are my favorite supplements. And if you'd like to get more information, just drop your email below and I'll send that to you. Have a great day. Again, I'm Dr. Woods, medical doctor and healthy lifestyle strategist with Dr. Woods Wellness.